The Ciena NTK540CD is a high-capacity coherent optical transport module built for demanding carrier and cloud networks. It sits inside the Ciena 6500 Packet-Optical Platform and uses WaveLogic 5 Extreme technology to deliver programmable DWDM transmission for metro core, long-haul, subsea, and hyperscale interconnect environments. From a business perspective, its value is clear. Operators need more bandwidth, better fiber utilization, and fewer hardware variants. The NTK540CD addresses all three by combining transponder and muxponder functions in one coherent module. Instead of deploying different cards for different reach targets, service teams can adjust profiles in software and use the same hardware across multiple network tiers. The module supports transmission rates from 200G up to 800G per wavelength, depending on the selected modulation, line conditions, and distance requirements. It also supports multiple baud rate modes, giving planners a practical way to balance spectral efficiency against reach. In dense DWDM architectures, that flexibility matters because every part of the spectrum must be used with precision. The NTK540CD operates across the C-band flexible grid and supports tunable frequencies with fine-grained control. That makes it well-suited for ROADM-based networks where wavelengths are routed dynamically across complex mesh topologies. For carriers and cloud providers, this means faster provisioning, better restoration options, and more efficient use of optical assets. At the service layer, the card aggregates client traffic such as 100 GB, 400 GB, OTU4, Flexo, and optimized Ethernet transport. It maps those services onto coherent optical wavelengths for long-distance transport. This makes it useful in backbone networks, data center interconnect systems, submarine landing stations, and large enterprise optical fabrics. The onboard coherent DSP is a major differentiator. It compensates for chromatic dispersion, polarization effects, nonlinear distortion, and optical noise, allowing high-capacity signals to travel hundreds or even thousands of kilometers without intermediate electrical regeneration, depending on the design. This reduces infrastructure complexity and lowers cost per transported bit. Power planning remains important. Because advanced DSP and coherent optics require significant energy, the module draws substantial power, especially in high-rate modes. Network operators must account for chassis cooling, thermal density, and shelf capacity when deploying it at scale. Overall, the NTK540CD represents a shift towards software-defined optical transport. It delivers more capacity, more adaptability, and better operational efficiency than older coherent generations. For organizations scaling 400G and 800G optical infrastructure, it is not just a line card but a strategic platform component that helps extend network reach while preserving valuable fiber resources.